So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long and I'm extremely very sorry. This time I was not at fault, okay? Like for the first 10 days I was taking a break, okay? I'll accept that. But after that what happened was I was not able to upload anything on YouTube, not even a shorts or a post and any video. I even had shot a video which I wanted to upload, okay? Like the last exam था मेरा accountancy, उसके बाद I had so many clips arranged and I even have that video now, but I got no chance to post it because I was not able to upload that video because it was showing some kind of error. I don't know why. I logged into my accounts, logged out so many times, but it was not working and it really pissed me off, so I just gave up. I stopped trying. So by the title of the video you are very curious to know what were my results and what about CUET. So let me tell you, the results were not that good. It was a shock to me, to be honest, because I was expecting much better than that. And I'll be very honest, I don't want to lie, because you have seen me throughout journey, like throughout 12th standard. You have seen me how much I've studied and all. Like I've tried to film as much as I could. So let me just get to the point. So starting off with, I'll just tell randomly because इतने खास मार्क्स मुझे नहीं लगे किसी में भी. So starting off with English, I scored 85 on 100. Yeah, I did not expect it because मेरे English में बस 3 से 4 मार्क्स गए थे. I don't know कैसे इतने कम आ गए. And then in economics also I scored 85. यहाँ पे भी मेरा 3 से 4 नंबर ही गया था. I don't know. Then in BST I scored 89. I could be scoring more because it was BST. It was pretty easy, right? And I don't know what happened. And then in accountancy I scored 90. In maths, okay, here comes the subject which I cried about all throughout the year. And here I scored 70 on 100. It was the worst for me because I've really put in so much of hard work for maths. Like literally, I'm telling you, if I did not have maths in 11th and 12th, I would be scoring much more in the other subjects. 70 is a bit less. I was expecting above 80. I would not say above 90 because I know how did my paper go. I was expecting above 80, but I don't know. I've been hearing that CBSE has been checking the papers wrong, but like who we are to judge and like question them because बहुत लोगों के अच्छे marks भी आए, right? So it may be my fault. Maybe I was at fault. So nobody knows how the copy checking went. Also in physical education जो मैं सिर्फ 4 दिन पढ़ी उसमें मुझे मिला 92. Like इसमें मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, आई थॉट मेरा फिजिकल एजुकेशन में 93 या 92 आएगा, 94 आएगा एंड 92 आया. लाइक जो सब्जेक्ट में मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि एग्जैक्ट मार्क्स मुझे मिलेगा, लाइक जितना मेरे मिस्टेक्स हुए उसके हिसाब से उसी में मुझे इतना पूरे एग्जैक्ट मिले. एंड स्पेशली इंग्लिश एंड इकोनॉमिक्स आई एम सो डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज मेरा बस 3 से 4 नंबर ही गया था एंड आई स्टिल कैन नॉट बिलीव कि वो मेरे मार्क्स है. आई इवन रिकॉर्डेड अ वीडियो वेयर आई वॉज checking out my CBSE results. I've taken that video, but I did not want to upload because my reaction was so bad. It was so bad. It was literally so bad. I thought that मैं ये upload नहीं कर रही because all throughout the video I've been saying ये मेरा marks नहीं है, ये मेरा marks नहीं है, ये मेरा marks नहीं है. I was like, how will I upload this video? Because the reactions we see on YouTube are so good, right? I know everybody has flaws and stuff, but when you want to upload a video, you want that your audience likes that video, right? So you would not put any video which disappoints them. So I did not want to put that video, but I put a small clip if possible. ये नहीं है मेरा मार्क्स, हमको बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा है. इंग्लिश और इकोनॉमिक्स में सबसे अच्छा गया था और उसमें हमको 65 देके रखा है. इतना my total aggregate was 88.2% without taking maths. With taking maths it was 83.8. I think you all might be thinking कि इतना I should be grateful, but the thing is हाँ इतने मार्क्स भी अच्छे होते उनके लिए जिन्होंने थोड़ा कम पढ़ा होगा. Like I did not attend stuff and part like जहाँ पे कुछ भी होता था. But if I'm doing this and if I'm not even not scoring much, like if I am putting all my energy into that standard, then I should score at least more. Like I should score more, right? Then what is the point of even studying if you're not able to score more? I know this might be very conflicting to you. You might not like what I'm saying, but it is just how I think. That was everything about my board's journey. But जो हो गया, I can't change this fact. Then the next thing comes is CUET. Okay, I've appeared CUET के domains. It was on 14th. It was for accountancy, BST and economics. And so if you want to know how were my exams, accountancy was pretty good. I mean, everything was based on theoretical part, especially from third book. And questions थे, partnership से questions थे, share से वो थे, case study था एक मेरा, and it was okay, like pretty good. Then BST was also very easy. एक question was tricky, classic book वाला एक आया था, from chapter number 2, I did not know that. And rest of them were pretty good. And next comes economics. Oh my god, economics was difficult for me because micro के questions were very very conceptual based and इतना deep concept मैंने नहीं पढ़ा था. And micro का एक मैंने गलती किया, like मैंने NCERT का पूरा complete reading नहीं किया. I had my notes, okay, then I also had a course of Sunil Panda sir. So उनके जो कराए हुए notes थे मैंने उनसे ही पढ़ा था, but beyond that also it came. For macro I read it because I had my macro का NCERT book. Macro I did because जो extra question आए थे macro से वो भी मुझसे हो पाया. Like box वाले questions, box से बहुत सारे questions आए थे. So I suggest you if you are appearing, then you can read that. English and GAT exam is on 26th. So English so I've still prepared, I'm still preparing. But for GAT I have not prepared much. I don't know how like if the exams because I hate current affairs. मैं बार बार भूल जाती हूँ. I just don't like reading GK. I don't know कैसे होगा क्योंकि सब शिफ्ट में पेपर के पैटर्न चेंज हो रहे हैं. Like हमारे अकाउंटेंसी शिफ्ट हुआ, जो पेपर्स आए वो सब थोड़े डिफिकल्ट थे. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I am back. I'll be posting. I'll be really posting this time, okay? I'm not just, you know, मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही. I'll be really posting. I'm trying to be back like पहले on YouTube. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. मैं तीसरी बार बोल रही हूँ, but bye bye. Take care and do let me know तुम लोगों का कैसा हुआ बोर्ड्स का रिजल्ट, बताना सब कमेंट्स में, okay?